Hello everybody, my name is Shane and I'll be showing you my front end page for the users for my website called Chrome Soundscapes. So I'm going to the website. Okay, so this website is for my project, for my final year project. It's called Chrome Soundscapes website. So this is the home page. So in this home page, I strictly say like this disclaimer: this is an engineering project done by me for the University of Bydgoszcz. So before I log in, this is what the page looks like. There is home and latest, and this shows the soundscapes, the latest soundscapes uploaded, and I can press next. These are some of the soundscapes, and I also have a page called popular. These are the most popular soundscapes so far, and then also top 10 soundscapes. And then you could see the artists or users on this website. If you go here, these are the artists, and then this is my contacts as page. This is my contact information: name, surname, email, and LinkedIn account. Same as about us. I say, welcome to my website. This platform is dedicated to sharing a variety of soundscapes that enrich a listening experience. Whether you're looking for a relaxing background music, nature sounds, or unique auditory experiences, you find a curated collection to suit your needs. My goal is to create a community of sound enthusiasts who appreciate the beauty of sound in everyday life. So you can explore my Soundscape page, discover new artists, and immerse yourself in the world of soundscapes. Okay, so I'll log in into an account. Since I'm not yet logged in, I can log in from the footer here, or I have a page here where I can log in also. So log in here, type in set my account details, log in, and then as soon as I log in, I go to my user profile. This is my user profile. It shows I have 3 uploads, 0 plays, 0 reviews. So if these are my soundscapes that I uploaded, I can play them. Okay, so these are the soundscapes for my profile picture. And then in this account, I'm also an admin. I'll talk about it in a later stage. So if I go to home, I can listen to other soundscapes from other people. If I go to bedrooms, I can play from the user one soundscape, and I can rate these soundscapes, and also I can comment. Wow, what a masterpiece of a sound. And then I can submit my review, and then yes, it shows the review, and from top to bottom it shows the latest reviews. I can show you the Soundscapes by John. I would like to log out, then log in as user 1, login. User 1, 1 upload, 11 plays and 2 reviews, and an average rating of 4.0. If I go to home, you can see some of the soundscapes like from my previous account. This is from Shane, and then I could rate the soundscape, submit rating, and then I can comment. That hyena laugh is so soothing. And I can submit review. I can also show you another account which is not uploaded or done anything. I'll call this user. It's called user 2. I can log in, and it doesn't have any uploads, nothing, no profile picture, so I can go to profile. I can go to upload, yes, to upload. Then I can name, give a title to a soundscape. I'll call it streets, and then I can upload a profile picture. I can choose this one. I'll call it raw, tiger raw. Now the soundscape, and then I can upload the soundscape. Disclaimer: all these soundscapes are for free, and there's no piracy going on. Then upload, which is save. And then I now have a soundscape. I can edit the user profile, choose file, maybe this. You can rename any of these. If you want to keep the same password, you can just save. Now I have a user profile, and I can play some soundscapes from other people. Rate, comment, and nice sound. I've commented. I'll go to the top 10. So this is my web page. Thank you very much.